Welcome back. In this video, we are going to look into Semrush Advertising Research tool. Basically, what this tool does, it'll help you to understand your competitors' paid advertising strategies. That is what it helps you to do and create your own campaign on a much more improved optimized basis. It helps you to uncover your competitor ad strategy and their budgets, analyze competitor keyword ads and their ad copies, and assess the PPC competition. Here you come into this tool. It is accessible under advertising tab under advertising research. Enter any domain you wish to check it out for PPC and select the target country and click on search. Once you clicked on search, you will see the data. For example, this is the data. It's showing me the data factors here. We are presented with several sections here. The first one is the position, which shows the total number of keywords which they are running ads on, the number of traffic they are receiving, and how much their traffic is around costing them. So it will give you estimated traffic data, number of keywords. You can see Semrush as generally declining the number of keyword which they are advertising, and traffic cost data is also shown here. This is for month. I can see 6 month, 1 year, 2 year, all time. So I can get a better idea on that. So this is the basic chart view. This paid search position showing me for all the whichever the keyword they are running ads for. For example, these keywords they are running different ad. For example, for different keyword they are targeting different pages. For example, if it's SEO, they are trying to target this. For keywords they are trying to target this page. For local SEO, this page. So we can get an idea and how much traffic they are receiving from each of these pages, and costs associated with it, competitive density in CPC, result index, all these things, and ranking. All the things are shown here. So this is what this particular table does it, and shows all the paid search position for this ad. When you click on position change, basically what position changes shows it like all the Google keyword ad positions, whichever the one improved, new, lost, improved, decline. So this is a new keyword which they are targeting, keyword finder. And if you see the lost section, you will find keywords which they are lost search positions. So these are the position which they lost search position. Maybe others started to advertise a lot more. So those data can be seen from here. So competitor, when you go into competitor section, it here will show all the competitive positioning database for the keywords which they are targeting, who are other competitors in this space. So it shows me there are a total of 785 competitors, and based on the competitors keyword target, it will show you the percent and how many common keyword is between you and that particular competitor. So we can get an idea. We can analyze the competitor also in depth by clicking on any of these pages here as well. For example, these are common keywords. You can see the common keywords by linking into it. Search keywords, you can linking into it. Clicking on here, it will open this competitor in the analytics section, and we can analyze that advertising strategy. All those data can be done under from competitors. Then we have ad copies. Here where it will automatically show all the ad copies run by Semrush in this example. So we can see the title, which is the URL they are using, what kind of ad. So we can also sort this by number of keywords ascending or number of keyword descending. So the most amount of keywords are trying to target this kind of ad. Try Semrush for free. So with 17 keywords, if I click here, it will show all the keywords which this particular ad copy is targeting. And I can also see other section also. For example, how to rank on Google, they are targeting these keywords. So depending on that, I can see the ad sets along with the keywords which they are targeting. I can also use filters here. I can filter it by product title. All those options are available. When I click on ad history, it basically will give you a full history on the ads. Let me show you how it will look like. Basically, this will show you that list of keywords here, coverage, last month, and every month on the year calendar. For example, it shows the last month data, and you can see these data. For example, only on SEO tools, during August and September and October, they were not getting the first position. Apart from that, they got the first position. So we can see a general overview idea. For example, the 0 saying that it didn't rank at all. So we can see and identify what it was the issue and maybe increase the budget or target it much more heavily. We can try to cover this keyword on that month as well. So we can see that old data with the along with the keywords, search volume, coverage, how much coverage we got. For example, I can sort this like in a lower to higher standpoint. Maybe if I do that, what it will do, it will show you the very poor coveraged keyword for me. So maybe I can do a better job of doing a better optimization for this keyword on PPC. So that is what domain ad history shows. When I click on pages, this is only available for Guru and business, so I'm not able to access to that. But basically paid pages will show most of the ads which receiving most of the pages which receiving most amount of paid traffic data for you. So you can see these are the pages which is receiving a lot of traffic. The product SEO challenges is receiving around 13.7k traffic. It is that around 28 percentages of traffic and 90 keywords are ranking on that. So that is what it shows the paid data here with the backlink section also. Subdomain same issue. Here it shows page, here it shows the subdomains which is getting a lot of traffic from ad traffic. So those are the data which you can find within advertising research. It provides a lot of informational important information related with Google AdWords PPC data, which can use to do a competitive PPC analysis and to do a better search engine advertising campaign for your product.